Straddling the border between China and Vietnam, Bang Giok is the name given to the two sets of wonderful waterfalls that lies along the Khe Song River. While the multiple layers and drops of the falls look absolutely astounding, the picture-perfect scene is completed by the lush vegetation, majestic mountains, and karst formations that lie around them. Long shut out from the rest of the world due to various border disputes, the falls are now an increasingly popular tourist destination. Hordes of visitors take boat trips below the cascades, cooling themselves in a fine mist of spray.